the Super Bowl, you go with the chili beef. For like a Korean drama, you go with the kimchi fry.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop. Hi friends, we're coming to you guys from Bayside, Queens on Bell Boulevard. About to head into our absolute favorite Korean fried chicken spot that's Mad for Chicken.
We actually order from Mad for Chicken all the time. Sometimes once a week, sometimes every other week. But we usually go to the one in Flushing on Northern Boulevard, Queens, or the one by our place by Forest Hill, Queens.
Yeah, so we've actually realized that we've never been to the one on Bell Boulevard before, and we just thought we'd check it out because they've been open for a while now. I think they've been open for about 3 years since the pandemic started, and they've actually been going strong, and we just never been there, so figured we'd check it out. Let's head in and get our chicken on.
So right off the bat, I mean, again, we haven't been here before. This is our first time in the Bayside Bell Boulevard location, and it looks very similar to the one in Flushing, Forest Hill, Williamsburg. It's kind of got like this rustic look where you get like these nice wood tables.
Yeah, the long wood table, a little bit darker in atmosphere. I do notice this is like a lot bigger than any of the ones that we have been to.
Yeah, I think this might be like the biggest.
Right. I think we were just chatting with one of the managers here. And he mentioned that as of now, this is the biggest location, and there is going to be another mega,
Like a much bigger one.
much bigger one with an elevator and everything.
4 floors. It's crazy. Like, yeah, I think 2 floors, but
You notice there's a lot heavy around there. There's like a very nice spot for brand house,
sports. Yeah,
especially Super Bowl's coming.
exactly. So, I mean, this is where you're about frying spot to watch the Super Bowl.
Super Bowl, fried chicken. You can drink the classic beer here. And they also have a full bar here too, it looks like. Yeah, so I think it's like a really good place to hang out with a large group of friends, especially.
Yeah, really like the ambiance.
Right.
Alright, so Mad for Chicken is not new to us, but we love to tell everyone what we typically get. I'd like to let you guys what we recommend. Well, if you get this chicken, it's their signature. You can get all different flavors, different spiciness. You can do mix and match with like a half and half. I also really like their nachos. It's super good. And quesadilla with kimchi, it's like a Korean flavor to it. And then what we're really excited about is their fries today. So their Parmesan and truffles, super good.
So
That's
good.
our go-to.
It's always what we always get.
Yeah, kimchi fries is pretty good as well, very unique. You typically don't get fries with like Korean flavor. But we're getting a beef chili fry today. I think this is their new menu. I'm not sure if this is the menu only to this location or it's just like a new item they rolled out recently. But I am very excited. I can't say no to fries. They also have sandwiches. I haven't ever gotten them before. I'm here for chicken, so I'm okay. We're also trying to be a little bit more health conscious these days. So we did order a salad called Avocado Salad. It's with ginger, sesame ginger dressing. So it feels a little refreshed.
Healthier.
Yes, healthier. It's Valentine's month. They do have a special drink. It's called Silver in Love with You or something like that. Can be more cheesier than that, but I like it. It's
really
Valentine's Day. Taste it really quick. Oh, it's definitely really sweet. So it kind of reminds me of, I don't know. It's like a very
Unique.
unique, yeah. So it kind of tastes like a birthday cake a little bit. And I'm a tequila drinker, so I definitely really like this. The waiter told us this is a little bit of a tequila, a little bit of vodka, a little bit of milk, and then the frosting that they have, or around the cup, they have frostings on it, and there is a
Like a fuzzy peach gummy.
yeah, exactly. So it's definitely like a sweet drink, which I wouldn't mind for a cocktail. I think it's like really warm. It's super cold today, so this is like really warm to my heart.
Oh, you can smell like how sweet it is.
It's very sweet.
It's very sweet. Oh, I see what you're saying about birthday cake. It's milky. Like it's a milky kind of sweetness to it, and I mean it's really good.
I think I like it, but if you guys don't like the sweet cocktail, if you are a little bit on the dry side, then it might not be a fan.
Right, but this is pretty good.
So here's what we got. We got a half and half wings. They're sitting chair. And it usually comes with like a little radish, which is like really, really good. Here we have the kimchi fry. And this is their new menu, which I'm really excited for, is the beef chili. And here is the nachos. I guess I didn't remember they had nachos in a can before.
Yeah, I guess we never got them.
No, we did. Oh wait,
No, we never
I guess
got
we
them,
got them in the store. We usually go to go. And here is our healthy choice of avocado salad. I do want to say I highly recommend their spicy meal sauce. All right, where should we start? I want to try the
beef chili fries,
chili
right?
fries.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, I'm gonna dive in. So there's some scallion onions. There's the chili. I'm gonna dive right in, stir it a little bit. It kind of reminds me of a protein a little bit.
So there's beans in this chili and meat, little onions I see, tomatoes.
Oh, this is so good.
I mean, their fries are already really good.
This is actually like
I'm gonna try it
really
without
good.
the spicy mayo first. Oh
That's
wow,
really good.
that's so good. Oh, I love like the beef and beans in the chili. I definitely recommend this beef chili.
So I feel like this bowl of chili is perfect to watch like a Super Bowl game.
Oh yeah, yeah. Super Bowl's coming up too. Yeah, you really don't even need the ketchup or the spicy mayo.
There's a little bit of a spicy like
Kick. There's a slight kick
not
to
a
it.
spicy. It's the numb one,
Really?
like the mala.
Yeah, the mala. You think so? I think it's just like regular spices.
But you get like that little tingling.
Yeah, yeah.
I think the chili is done really well, and and the fries are not soggy at all. They're
They're still really crispy.
really crispy, and it's just really good. They have a chunky tomatoes. It's like it makes this very juicy too. It's like not too dry.
That's very true.
Like there's like the tomatoes are like really, really big, or just a few chunks of them. I shouldn't say really, really big, but they're big enough for fries. Next, I'm gonna try the
Kimchi fries.
and there's also scallion on top.
Oh yeah, you can smell the kimchi. Well, kimchi already is pretty pungent.
So different than the Philly one. So I feel like when I eat these fries, I have a different playlist in my mind. For Super Bowl, you go with the chili beef. For like a Korean drama,
Hey, Jama.
you go with the kimchi fries. Alright, now we're gonna go for nachos. We actually haven't had nachos for a while. Just because their nachos is like a really big portion, usually if we get a fry, we won't get the nachos. I'm gonna dive in. There's a lot going on here.
Yeah, there's like corn.
There's like corn, there's avocado. I think another reason I typically don't go with the nachos is if I'm going out with a friend. It kind of gets a little messy.
Right, because you gotta use your hands.
Yes, I feel like nachos are such a party food, and just two of us, we can't finish them typically. With nachos, it's like really a really big dish for a starter. So I think this usually if you have like 4 to 5 people coming all together, then this is
a great
good
option.
to share. I gotta say one thing, with one of fries, I think they're very consistent for each location that we went so far.
That's really true.
Their flavor is the same, very fresh.
So like
We have not been disappointed.
yeah, it's nice because you get that consistency,
where like some places might do something different, all of the Mafra chickens, they've been pretty solid and consistent with all their foods and their dishes. So we get to the main part, the main show, the reason why you come to Mad for Chicken, the fried chicken. All right, let's bite into this bad boy. It smells so good.
I don't know how they do this. They always have like very consistent crunchiness on the outside and still like very flavorful
On the inside. Whereas sometimes like a lot of it could get dry. But this one is, they remain very juicy.
And we usually get it to go. We just haven't had dine-in experience for so long with maple chicken. It's also because it's like, most of the time it's very popular and we try to avoid the crowd. And their spicy is like pretty decent.
But like with most Korean fried chicken spots, it takes a long time for them to make this. It does take time. So if you plan on getting the chicken, we highly recommend you ordering ahead of time to go. That way, by the time you get there, you don't have to wait like 30, 40, 45 minutes or anything. So it saves you a little time as well.
Our favorite is their wings. They also have drumsticks too.
Oh, they're massive too.
Yeah.
They're really big. But we don't like to get the drumsticks as much. It's just personal preference for us. We really like the wings. It's just easier to eat.
The reason I like to get this in like half and half is because their spicy wings are pretty spicy. So we do want to warn you, if you're not a like horrible spicy food taker, you want to be careful with that. I also feel the spiciness a little bit. So I like to eat like one spicy and one not spicy, kind of like wait it out a little bit.
A little balance. But it's nice because they also provide like these pickled radishes, which kind of cool it down. Like if you eat it too spicy, it cleans your palates as well. So it's it pairs nicely.
Feeling very happy here.
Yeah, this is definitely like our happy place.
It is our happy place. So for those of you who have not tried maple chicken, we want to say you miss out very much.
We definitely think it's a must-eat when you're here in New York City.
I'm very proud to say I've not found another Korean fried chicken that's
Better than
better
Mafra
than chicken.
Yeah.
Maybe in Korea.
Yeah, but we haven't gone yet, so.
This might sound a little weird, but it tastes really good. Also reminds me of General Chow's chicken.
What? What?
I don't know if it's because we just had a chicken and with the sesame
That's such a weird comparison.
and with the avocado. It makes me feel like I'm eating salad, but I'm tasting General Chow's chicken. Salad's really good, really refreshing. And I think I have this like habit coming from my family that every meal gotta come with some grains.
A well-balanced meal. All right, let me try this.
Sesame chicken?
Definitely not.
No? Oh.
Okay, I think I know what you're saying. I think it's like that balsamic kind of vinegar. So you get like a sourness, and the sesame definitely kind of make it taste like sesame chicken.
Like an orange sesame chicken.
Yeah, but I wouldn't say it tastes like a General Tso's sesame chicken. It's definitely good.
It's good.
It's definitely good. It's like sweet.
A little bit sweet, yeah.
It's sour.
Sour.
Yeah, the avocado is a nice texture.
And the ingredients are so simple, but the dressing really makes a difference.
Yeah.
I don't taste the ginger as much.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Almost feel like a must-have after chicken. Well, thank you guys for joining us to visit the Bayside location of Mad for Chicken, one of our favorite dish of all time, Korean fried chicken.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We release videos every Thursday.
See you next week. Bye.